Welcome to Legoland. The time has finally come. It is Galacticoaster Day. Let's blast off into space. So for those of you that don't know, this is Legoland's brand new family coaster. It's a roller coaster. It's a night coaster, roller coaster, night coaster. Wow, look at me. It's a dark roller coaster. And if everything I've seen about this coaster just has me giddy and excited, I cannot wait to go check it out. I'm gonna bring you guys along. We're gonna have some food too, of course, because there is space-themed food. So that is what we're gonna do. Stick around and see you in space, Earthlings.
And so, Spacelings, our galactic adventure begins.
All right, so we got our lanyard and now we're heading to Spaceport 885 to blast off into space. But I don't know, we might need something to eat first. There's some pretty interesting food options just for this event. Well, released with the event that I want you guys to check out.
Galacticoaster introduces Supernova Sandwich.
So we've reached the burger or the chicken sandwich. It's here at Kickin' Chicken. Let's try that first. Come on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, say hello to the Supernova chicken sandwich. You can go back and look at the description, but it's pretty interesting looking. I can absolutely tell you that much. Let's go ahead and taste it. I'm the king of mistakes. I'll try all foods at least once. This looks scary. That blue, here goes abso-freaking-lutely nothing. Wow, that tastes good. The sweet Thai chili, the chicken is moist. The coleslaw is crunchy, but it doesn't offend me. Wow, that's impressive. Garlic dusted fry. Basic fry. You taste the garlic a little bit, but it's not like out of this world. The chicken sandwich is really good though. Moving on.
All right, next up, let's try the cookies and Cosmos Sundae.
All right, we got the ice cream, so now let's go sit down and give the thing a good old college try. And here it is, the cookies and Cosmos Sundae. It's a trap! I have no idea if it's a trap or not, but we are definitely gonna give it a hit and see if it really is a trap. So the cool thing is you got to keep the cup. It's a souvenir. Oh boy, here goes absolutely nothing. It's blue. You know, I'm getting an overarching blue theme here. Let's go. Oh my God, that's rich. That was great. It's cookies and cream. Don't let the color throw you off. I'm a color person. It's my thing. It's weird, I know. But it's straight up cookies and cream. You taste the chocolate. I got a chunk of banana, like somewhere in the mix. I don't know how, but I give that dessert a 10 out of 10. That dessert, definitely worth getting. Who's ready for a coaster? All right, let's get this Galacticoaster show on the road.
Oh, fun in the house. Go to the big cheap, eh?
You got the fun in the house. The fun is right here, actually. So we are approaching Galacticoaster.
I keep telling him, just smile, just be happy.
I see Spaceport 885. And we're about to blast into space. Jordan, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you thrilled?
Yes.
My journeyman is my son Jordan. He's right here. He's gonna be my test man on this ride. And we're about to go to space. We got a spaceman. Yeah. Or the alien. So the building is huge. That is definitely a plus. The building is ginormous. And there it is. Here we go.
Are you interested in knowing your alien name today?
What is it?
What's your birth month?
April.
April. So your first name is Comet, and what's the first letter of your first name?
J.
J. So you are Comet Jetbreak.
I am definitely
Nice.
Comet Jetbreak.
My name's Quest, and it's a pleasure meeting you. Enjoy the Galacticoaster.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we are finally here. Welcome to Galacticoaster, ladies and gentlemen. We are gonna have a blast getting on this bad boy. All right, we're finally here at Galacticoaster. The time has come to do this roller coaster. If you've seen my content before, you know what to expect. If you're new here, I am sorry for what you are about to experience. I'm ready. Welcome to Galacticoaster. It's time for a mission briefing from our very excited
How many's in your crew?
3.
All right, right down this way, right into mission.
We're with Davey. That's crazy. Ooh.
Pleased to meet you. I am Biff Dipper, Spaceport's Chief Engineer. Cadets, look sharp. Your mission briefing is about to begin with Explorer Captain Nova Orion. Mission briefing starting in 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, cadets. We need your help. A giant space rock is zooming towards us. It's the asteroid of probable destruction. We've tried zapping the asteroid with a giant laser. We've tried catching it with a giant net. But both ingenious plans have mysteriously failed. Over to the man with Plan C. It's our chief engineer, Beth Dipper.
Hey cadets, the C stands for cadet, because Plan C depends on you. The plan is to break up the asteroid by harnessing the most destructive force in the galaxy. Separators. These guys just can't help breaking things apart, so let's turn their menace into a force for good. We need the cadets to lure a swarm of separators to the asteroid. Over to Commander Olivia, who is on to find some.
We've located large swarms of separators in space sectors Alpha, Beta, and Charlie. Couldn't get too close. There are more than ever and are likely to separate anything that crosses their path. Jones is telling you to be careful. He's right. You need to locate these separator swarms in your spaceships. You have told them that bit, haven't you, Biff?
Just getting there. Okay, cadets. First team to customize the spacecraft so awesome that it grabs the separator's attention like nothing else. You'll need to make your spacecraft speedy, too, because as soon as the separators come for you, it's time to go, 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 before they can separate you, too.
Woohoo! Check me out above! My gravity skates just fizzled out! Hey teammates, trick me in with a hot tip! We're all doing this mission in Goose 4. Might be don't know all your crewmates yet, but let's dive into building together!
Cadets, time is running out. Just remember the 3 S's. 1. Spacecraft. Customize it. Climb aboard. 2. Separators. Locate them. Lead them to the asteroid. 3. Safe return. Watch out for wormholes and debris. Get back safe. Got that? Great! Come on, let's go!
All cadets to the engineering bay. Let's get mission ready.
All right, this is our ship. It is the Pirate Hamburger Dragon, whatever the heck that tail is. So I'm here with Brittany and Jordan, and we're just waiting to board. It's a little terrifying. You guys know me. You good? She's a-okay. Here we go. And of course we got Rachetera Cassie in the house. Hey! And beep, 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 beep. Whoa, Davey! What's up? So behind me is Galacticoaster. We're about to get on. Your boy is nervous. I'm gonna yell. You know for a fact, whoa, Davey's gonna yell. He can't help it. And there you have it, my day experiencing Galacticoaster. Honestly, the roller coaster is spectacular. It was a lot more than I was prepared for. I was expecting a kid coaster. That was insane. The speed, the turning, everything about it was different, and it's not something that I'm accustomed to coming to LEGOLAND Florida, but I am happy it's here, and it's something to give us older people, something to look forward to. So with that said, I'll see you guys next time, and see ya.